You're watching K News HD.
In the name of Allah Almighty, who is beneficial and merciful, dear audience, Assalamu Alaikum. Today, I will tell you about coronavirus. First of all, I will attract your attention to the fact facing all over the world, the infectious disease coronavirus. It originates originally from China and spread within few weeks all over the world. Our humanity is in fierce alarm that people are dying rapidly due to it because there is no vaccine for its cure. All over the world, people have to face lockdown situation. We can overcome it if we act upon following precautionary measures strictly. Number 1, wash your hand 20 seconds using soap or water. Number 2, wearing mask on face going outside. Number 3, avoid handshake or embracing. Number 4, avoid going over crowded places. Number 5, don't go going outside without it. Number 6, fully cooperate with government. Number 5, try to seek forgiveness from Allah. We should believe it is our fate. Our lives are of Allah. We should to seek forgiveness from Allah. We should help our needy so that